Hello, I'm going to do a little walk around video on this 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan with a BraunAbility XT conversion. So I'll point out any items as we walk around the vehicle. Overall it's in pretty clean shape. There are some minor dents, dings that I noticed on the hood, such as those. A couple little scratches there. This is the current body style Dodge Grand Caravan. They introduced in 2008 and they kept it all the way through 2020 when they discontinued the model and replaced it with the Chrysler Voyager. So it was a vehicle that was built well and they didn't change much. Just some interior items in 2013 and 15. And then they added backup camera on the 2017s. This one of course doesn't have backup camera because it was before that. Little ding right there. Some scratches on the bumper here. Overall, the vehicle's in good shape for its age and miles, and it's got a really nice set of tires that came in handy today with the snow here in Colorado. Those are brand new tires on there. So the way that this works is with the key fob, because it is fully integrated. We just make sure the car is unlocked, and then on this side door we're going to press that door button twice, and then it's going to activate the door open sequence, which means the door opens, the ramp comes out, and then the vehicle also kneels down. So that kneeling feature will help reduce that ramp angle, so manual and power chairs can get up into the vehicle easily. This is a driver capable vehicle, meaning the two front seats are actually fully removable. They sit on pedestals with wheels that you can see there. So you can adapt it for driver capability if you're in a wheelchair and wanting to drive. Or you could have somebody sit up front here, somebody sit back there in the wheelchair. It is a fully lowered floor here, so you can see how that works. Put the key in the ignition here and turn it like a regular key.
Dying to know what amazing albums.
You have your standard clock radio, CD player, 3-zone climate control where you can adjust each of the zones, driver and passenger. And in the rear, you have cruise control on this vehicle, temperature gauge, power windows, locks, power slider doors. You have the garage door buttons you can program. Back here we've just got some cargo bins for sunglasses. There's your rear AC controls. And then there's a Braun button to be able to close the door in the ramp, or you can hit the OEM button here. So this being a Braun fold-out XT, the ramp sits inside the car here like this. And then back here we've got your trunk space. You do have a power lift gate feature, as well as your wheelchair accessible straps there to tie down that wheelchair. So overall nice vehicle, good shape for its year and miles, ready to find its next home. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a call if you have any questions or would like to move forward. Number is 844-289-2635. Extension 701 is Justin. Thank you.